Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with this look right here. So first we're going to start off with our MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I am just applying that to my eye with the same brush that I use to clean my brows up. And I'm just going to use this Real Technique brush to smoothen everything out. Then I'm going to take some surgical tape and I'm going to use the JUVIAS Place Magic palette, and I'm going to take that dark blue shade on a Morphe E27 brush, and I'm just going to pat that shade on and blend it out. Then I'm going to go into the Morphe 12P palette. I'm going to take that light blue and I'm going to take the black, and I'm going to use this light blue on a Morphe M443, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that dark blue with that. Then I'm going to go back into that Morphe E27 brush and blend the blue in. Gosh, I can't talk. Taking a small elf brush, and I'm going to pack the black on the outer V, and then I'm going to cut my crease with the MAC, what is it called? The MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in NC15. That's the lightest shade, and I'm using that on a double-ended Urban Decay brush from one of their Naked palettes. Then I'm going to blend out the edges of that concealer with my finger so that the blending process is easier. Then I'm going to pat the black over that edge. Then I'm going to take the MAC pigments in the shades Violet and I can't read it. It's A85. The lime green one is A85, and I'm just going to wait for the concealer to get a little tacky and dry down a little bit, and then I'm going to pat that lime green on first in the inner corners, going halfway, and then I'm going to take that purple violet shade and I'm going to go the rest of the way of the eye. And then I'm going to blend that edge out with the same black on that small blending brush to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. Once the edges are blended out, I'm going to take my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a line over the eyes, not making a wing, just making a line over the eyelid so that when I apply my falsies, it will conceal it helps conceal the band. Once I've done that, I remove my tape off my eyes, and I realized that my tape was not positioned the same on each eye. So I was pretty pissed about that, but it is what it is. Life goes on. And I finished the rest of my face off camera just to save time. And when I come back, I will be going into the bottom lash line. And what I did for the bottom lash line is I took the purple out of that 12P palette and I smoked out the bottom lash line, and then I added black into the outer parts of the eyes, into the water lines. It was fast. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was fast, so it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. It doesn't take that long to complete a nice looking eye. I love the colors. They kind of give me like Mardi Gras vibes. So if you enjoy this, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And comment what you would like to see from me next. Subscribe, and when you subscribe, that bell icon is going to come up, and I want you to click that bell so that you're notified of my future uploads. And if you're still on my page or my channel, go through other videos, check those out. I have a lot of them. Until next time, you guys, take care.